To create a project or contract in Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by setting up your account. You can do this by taking advantage of the free trial option, which will guide you through a series of steps to get started. Once your account is set up, follow the prompts to navigate to the project contract screen. Here, you will add relevant information about your project, including products to be included in the contract. To do this, click on New and then Project-Based Lines, select the desired product from the list, and proceed to add it to the contract. You will also need to establish a project baseline, which can be done by clicking on Project-Based Lines within the Contract Lines area, and then creating a new project. After completing these steps and finishing any edits, click Save to secure your changes. If necessary, you can send the contract to your customer by selecting More, then Run Report, and finally, Order. Once the customer has confirmed the contract, you can click Confirm at the top of the project contract screen. If the contract is not accepted, you can click Close or Lost at the top of the screen. This process outlines the basic steps for creating a contract in Microsoft Dynamics 365.